Alex, a visionary CMO navigating the challenges of the marketing world. Whether you're leading a startup or steering a massive corporation, we understand the diverse needs of leaders like Alex. Imagine this scenario. Alex is looking to inject a fresh dose of creativity into the brand without the hassle of staffing or causing stress to his team. That's where our creative subscription comes in, at just $2,500 per month. Perfect for Alex, who needs that creative boost without getting into the nitty-gritty. With 20 hours per month, the brand gets a fresh, innovative touch, and Alex can focus on the big picture. Now, let's fast forward to a critical advertising decision. Alex is hungry for brand growth with a side of flexibility. The advertising subscription, priced at $5,000 per month, is the perfect solution, with 35 hours dedicated to advertising on Google, YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram, coupled with creating social media assets, emails, and other design needs. This package offers a seamless, all-encompassing approach to achieving your design and advertising goals. Now let's talk about the ultimate solution. The all-in-one subscription priced at $7,500 per month. This is a game changer for Alex's brand, with a whopping 50 hours. It covers everything from advertising, social media, video, web design, and more. Imagine a dedicated team that manages everything from snazzy ads and lively social posts to stylish emails, sleek designs, and captivating videos. It's like a Swiss Army knife for your brand, whether you're a visionary CMO like Alex, a dynamic marketing director, or a trailblazing startup. Our subscription plans are designed to meet your needs, from unleashing creativity to conquering advertising challenges. Savage Global Marketing has you covered, no matter how big or small the brand. Transform your brand's journey with Savage Global Marketing. Subscribe now, and let's make your marketing story a masterpiece.